Now in this video, we're going to answer the following question. Differentiate. And we've been given the expression 3 minus 2x squared raised to the power of minus 5. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, sharing this video, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Differentiation is a fundamental concept in calculus for finding the rate of change of a function with respect to one of its variables, and the resulting derivative can be used for finding, for example, how one variable responds when another changes. In this case, we've been asked to differentiate 3 minus 2x squared raised to the power of minus 5. To differentiate a function like this, which is a composite function, or a function of a function, we need to use the chain rule. The chain rule states that dy by dx is equal to dy by du multiplied by du by dx, where u is a function of x and y is a function of u. Differentiating this expression is a 4-step process. First, we assign the variable u to the inner function, and y to the outer function, before differentiating each with respect to x and u respectively. Then we apply the chain rule before substituting u back into the answer and simplify. To begin, we need to assign the inner function to the variable u. And so, u is equal to 3 minus 2x squared. And the outer function to the variable y. So, y is equal to u raised to the power of minus 5. The next step is to find the derivative of each using the power rule of differentiation, one term at a time. First, we need to differentiate u with respect to x, where u is equal to 3 minus 2x squared. The derivative of 3, which is a constant value, is 0. To find the derivative of minus 2x squared, we need to multiply by the power, then reduce the power by 1, which gives us minus 4x. So du by dx is equal to minus 4x. We also need to differentiate y with respect to u, where y is equal to u raised to the power of minus 5. Using the power rule a second time, we need to multiply by the power, then reduce the power by 1, which gives us minus 5u raised to the power of minus 6. The chain rule is given as dy by dx equal to dy by du multiplied by du by dx. We can substitute the values we've just found for dy by du and du by dx, giving us minus 5u to the power of minus 6 multiplied by minus 4x. Simplifying the coefficients of u, minus 4x multiplied by minus 5 is 20x, giving us 20x multiplied by u to the power of minus 6. The final step is to substitute the expression we set for u, 3 minus 2x squared, back into the derivative, giving us 20x multiplied by 3 minus 2x squared raised to the power of minus 6. For more explanation and examples of differentiating expressions like this, search our channel for differentiation. As an extension to this question, what if the original power was a positive 5 instead of a negative 5? How would that change the final exponent? So the expanded and simplified expression and the answer to this question is 20x multiplied by 3 minus 2x squared raised to the power of minus 6. Please follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Threads for daily maths content.